super shopper. Let's go.
Wow.
One of the first things you want to do is always get your coupons, friends. This is one of the reasons I love shopping at CVS. You can see all my coupons I have on cosmetics. It goes all the way down. This is one of the reasons I love to start here. Now, I figured we could start with brows. This is one of my favorite brow products. Well, this is actually a liner. Here's the brow product. They have a brow pencil that makes doing your brows so easy. Here it is. This brow pencil is amazing. They don't have black. Dang it. My brows are black, so I love the black ones. But anyways, $9.99. And if you come when they have a sale, you can get it even cheaper. But since I have like 50 coupons here, it'll be good. So I'm just gonna try dark brown because I'm actually out and I love this brow pencil, and it comes with a spoolie, which is great. And you just fill in your brows. You guys know I don't like to spend forever on my brows. This is great. By the way, Bae is filming. Can you say hi? Okay. So I used to use these and they used to burn the crap out of my eyes. They're kind of like a dupe for the, Touch and Soul dual-ended cream eyeshadows and glitter. I don't really like these. If you guys like them, let me know, but I wouldn't recommend them. They burn my eyes for any of you that have sensitive eyes. Great long wearing full coverage foundation is the Revlon Color Stay. I did a video, it's super old. I think it's like 2 years old. And I had this on for like 14 hours and it did not budge. So if you need full coverage, they have normal to dry skin, combo oily. This is worth the $14. And when I used to buy it, they didn't have a pump. Now it has a pump. I'm actually out, so I'm gonna pick up, I think, mahogany. So we've got brows and the foundation. Concealer is amazing. It's full coverage, but I never can find my shade. Tati actually recommended this. You guys know I love Tati. But if you can find your shade, this is an amazing long-wearing full coverage concealer. Now I wanted to show you this foundation. For those of you that maybe don't want the full coverage Revlon Color Stay, try the Maybelline Fit Me. I love this. It's, I'd say like medium coverage. So they have one that's matte, but they also have one that's more dewy for normal and dry skin. Did you hear Bae's knee just pop? We bent down and both of our knees popped. I ran 20 miles today. His knee just always pops. Oh, this concealer is awesome. It's not super full coverage. This is a great one to try if you want more of like a medium, medium coverage one. This is the Fit Me concealer. So those are both good. The foundation, concealer, and the dewy foundation are both. All right, these, so now we're in the NYX section. I was gonna kind of go in order of the face, but
look, hello everybody.
But NYX, these lip creams, you guys, are so good. They're soft matte, but don't let the matte scare you, because I have really dry lips, so I always think matte is bad. They're long wearing and they're very comfortable. This shade I've actually worn a lot. What shade is this? Prague. By the way, I didn't mention, I'll leave a link to all this stuff down below. I probably told you in the intro. Ooh, do you like that color, babe?
Yes, nice.
This one is Monte Carlo. Totally picking this up. $6.49. They are worth it. Okay, L'Oreal True Match, another natural foundation, natural air quotes. It's buildable. I used to use the shade Cocoa all the time. I like to use this more in the summertime, but if you like more of a natural finish, this is a great long wearing one, and it's $11.49. But guys, wait until there's a sale or use one of your 85 coupons to say, okay, LA girl. This one, these color correctors and their concealers, you guys, are amazing. They're only $3.99 and they're so full coverage and long wearing. What shade do I usually get? I think I usually get Fawn or Warm Honey because I like a really bright, oh no, that's too yellow. I think I usually get Warm Honey. I like a bright under eye, and I'm gonna get a color corrector for my mom. So the reddish neutralizes dark spots for deeper skin tones, and orange neutralizes dark spots too. So I'm gonna get red for her. These are so good, guys. Highly recommend them. e.l.f. brushes are very hit or miss for me. I highly recommend Luna Glow Beauty. Luna Glow Beauty, link down below to my own brushes. You can get a set of 14 for like $24.99. So honestly, I don't really buy makeup brushes from the drugstore. That's not true. I do like to buy Real Techniques, but I usually buy those from Ulta. I love this blush palette. Now, I don't use the light one. I use the dark one, but I don't see that they have that here. But this blush palette, oh wow, it went up in price. It used to be $6. I love it, but I use the deep one. But if you're a lighter skin tone, you would like the light. It's so good. I've literally had it for 2 years and it's still going. All right, this has nothing to do with makeup, but I love this. For any of you that don't use this, what are you doing? So you basically stick your nail in it and there's little brush heads in it. Yeah, like that, and it takes off all your nail polish. My mom used to use this when I was younger. That's how I found out about it. So as opposed to using one of these, thanks babe, using one of these and like rubbing your finger incessantly, you just stick it in here. It takes like half the time. I love it. That looks a little lewd. Anyway, not makeup related, one of my favorite drugstore nail polishes, $10.79, but I find that they're worth it. They last me at least a couple of days. I really like it. I actually need a new top coat, so I might actually pick this up. Okay, these are actually newer from CoverGirl. I'm not gonna buy it because they just sent me all of these in PR, but these, if you haven't seen my review video on these, go and check it out. I'll leave a link down below. They are so easy to apply and like really almost creamy. My favorite is this one, Dazed, and then the Jewels, because I like color, but they have more neutral ones. I was really impressed with that, and it's only $13.49, so I'll leave a link to the review video where I tried that out down below. His knee keeps cracking every time he bends down. All right, L'Oreal Telescopic is one of, I have to whisper, the manager's nearby, is one of my favorite mascaras, drugstore mascaras. If you like to have really long lashes, highly recommend that. A lot of people like this Lash Paradise one, which is supposed to be really good at making your lashes thick. Didn't really do much for me. I try a lot of mascaras, but I'm definitely picking up the L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm not gonna pick these up, but these eyeshadows from Milani are awesome. I already own this and I've been using it, I think, the last 2 years. If you need a creamy shadow that's long wearing, pigmented, nice neutral colors, definitely check these out. These are the everyday eyes, totally worth the $11.49. I love these. Also, Milani's blushes are really good too. They don't have a great, is your knee gonna crack? They don't have a great color selection here because there's a lot more colors, but I love them. Also, the baked blushes. I used to like them a lot, but I find that, I don't know, it starts getting like a dirty top. I don't know how to explain it. They're not my favorite, but I don't know, they don't last very well, is what I'm trying to say. This lip scrub, I picked it up because Jessica Braun said she loved it. You guys know I love Jessica Braun, but this did nothing for my lips. And how much was it? It doesn't have a price, but I did not like that at all. This foundation is bomb.com. Another great full coverage foundation, the Conceal and Perfect. Totally worth the $12.79, and it has a pump, which is amazing.
Care card. All discounts will be included at the end of the order. $11.79, $9.99, $3.99, $3.99, $13.99, $10.79.
Bring it up to the back.
$6.49. Select number of CVS bags used.